Ksubas Daf Tes. The Mishnah states that a virgin must marry on Wednesday. In the event the groom has any doubts about his bride's virginity, he can claim it in court on Thursday. The Gemara discusses the nature of the groom's claim. Rabbi Elazar states that it is Pesach Pasuach Matzasi. I did not experience resistance during cohabitation. He did not claim there was no blood, either because the cloth was missing or the bride's family is reputed not to have dam b'sulim. She is prohibited to him as a suffix sota, a questionable adulteress, because of suffix doraisa l'chumra. Doubts concerning biblical law are decided stringently. She did not respond, or she contradicted his claim. Had she admitted and claimed she lost her virginity for some other reason, she would have been believed. Her claim is stronger. She is certain, he is not. Question. Since the court cannot verify his claim, maybe he's lying. Why is he believed? The answer is believed because of Shavi Anafshe Chaticha Disura. His claim only affects his marital status, not hers, and is therefore tantamount to testimony. Question. Still, why is the groom believed? She should remain permitted because our case is a specs feka, double doubt. Even if she cohabited with another man, it could have been before their marriage or after their marriage, she may have been violated. As a result, not prohibited to her husband. The answer. Our case, in fact, is discussing a single suffix. Either her husband was a Kohen and she would have been prohibited even if violated, or he was a Yisrael whose wife was a minor married to him before her third birthday. Had she cohabited with another before their marriage, her signs of virginity would have returned. Rashi adds that the chuppah had to have been when she was an adult. Seducing a minor is tantamount to rape. She would not have been prohibited to her husband. Question. What is novel about Rabbi Elazar's teaching? It is a Mishnah. A man claimed he married a woman. She denied it. The law is that only he is prohibited to her relatives, but she is permitted to his. This proves that only his marital status is affected, not hers. The answer. Rabbi Elazar teaches us a more novel law. Mishnah teaches where there is no reason to doubt his claim, except for her denial, he is believed. Rabbi Elazar teaches that he is believed even where his inexperience may have caused him to err. Question. There is another statement of Rabbi Elazar that contradicts his first. He states that two witnesses must witness her infidelity based on the rule, unless there was kinui stira, then one witness to the act would prohibit her. If so, the husband's claim of Pesach Pasuach Matzasi should not suffice to prohibit her. The answer. Rabbi Elazar's second statement focuses on the nemanis of one witness. Although generally one witness is not believed because the Torah states, two witnesses are required to establish facts not only in money matters, but matters related to marriage as well. Where there is kinui stira or a husband claims Pesach Pasuach Matzasi, he is believed just as Hodas Baldin is believed and does not require two. The requirement of two witnesses is to apply a prohibition or an obligation on other people. Question. Why is our Mishnah not a proof for Rabbi Elazar? The Mishnah states if the groom questions her virginity, he should appear in court on Thursday. Is he not claiming Pesach Pasuach Matzasi? Answer. Our Mishnah refers to a tainus damim. He did not see blood. The court may dismiss his claim of Pesach Pasuach Matzasi, may not be because he is inexperienced. Shmuel disagrees with Rabbi Elazar. He holds that if the groom claims Pesach Pasuach Matzasi, the bride forfeits. He disagrees with Rabbi Elazar that the bride forfeits her ksuba. We presume his claim is credible because chazak eid adam torech b'suda mafsida. A person would prepare a wedding certainly not only not to falsify a claim his bride was not a virgin. He wouldn't prepare a suda and put so much effort into it to falsify a claim that his bride was not a virgin. The Elazar does not consider this chazakah sufficient because his inexperience may have caused him to err. Question. Why was Shmuel's ruling necessary? It can be derived from a later Mishnah that states a groom from Yehuda would not be believed his wife was not a virgin because their custom was to allow yichud during erusin. However, in the Golim, they did not have this custom. The distinction cannot pertain to his claim to prohibit her because he may not have cohabited with her and he should be believed. The distinction must be regarding her ksuba. Apparently, Pesach Pasuch Matzasi in the Golim would deprive her of a ksuba. The answer, this Mishnah is referring only to a tainus damim.